Well, I've got this Mercedes Viano in, and this is basically, I'm going to do the first fix electric wiring for it to be ready to be converted to a camper van. So at the moment it's just purely empty, no wiring's been laid. It's just showing at this level at the moment. Power control unit is all wired in now, so the first fix electrics is complete, and all that's required now is a camper van to actually be built, and then the second fix could be done after that. The Mercedes Viano has been converted into a camper van. As you can see, it's got a pop top and the furniture's in, bed's not in. But what we did with this one, we did the first fix electrics, so all the appliances could go in there, and what they've done, they built the furniture, I put the flooring in, and now what I'm going to do, the second fix. So basically get all the electrical components for the camper side of it in there and working, and then what they'll do, they'll end up finishing it all off and clean the van up, and that should be a nice little camper van once it's all done. Right, just completed the second fix on this Mercedes Viano camper van. As you see, the power unit is all powered. The fridge. So you have the sink with a pump, and obviously lights as well. Right, this is the Nissan Elgrand. It's had the first fix electric already done to it, so it's come in here for us to do the second fix electrics, so it completes the build. And I'll show you that when it's all done. Well, I've now completed the second fix of the electrics to this camper van. So as you can see, all the electrics is done and it's up and running. Now it's ready for it to be collected, so they could actually complete the rest of it. I complete the electrics to the Elgrand. Just have a look. That's ready for them to complete.